Hey guys, today I want to do a very simple boneless wing recipe. It's a few steps to follow, but it is cool, it's awesome, and it's definitely Basan style. Ingredients, we have about 5 pounds of boneless chicken breast, cut, gorgeous pieces. I have regular white flour that I'm gonna season. We have buttermilk, black pepper, Cajun seasoning rub, and salt. Don't worry guys, as usual, I'm gonna put all the recipes, all the ingredients and measurements in the description. I'm gonna show you how to make a dredging station. I'm gonna show you how to fry them, sauce them, and get them ready. So let's get started. Transfer the chicken in a big bowl. I'm gonna add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. You can cover it really nice. And now, just a rough season with the Cajun rub, because you want chicken to have a little bit of life, you know, the flavor once you bite into it, not just the sauce, and have a bland flavor in it. So about a tablespoon, I would say. Just mix it really good, and oil does the job of sticking it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the buttermilk and I'm gonna cover the whole thing with it and just mix it really good. And now, after you mix it, let it sit for about 2 hours in the refrigerator so everything just gets soaked in. And then I'm gonna show you how to dredge it, and I'm gonna fry it. Add all the flour in a full tray. So I have room to dredge chicken. Okay, so we're gonna season it with pepper, like a decent amount. Cajun rub. And salt. Just mix it in really good. You can see once the color changes for the flour, you know it's done. So we finished all the basic steps before. Now it's the dredging part. But I'm gonna show you a really cool trick, because for your fryer, the worst thing you could do is have excess flour in it, because it makes it, all the sludges at the bottom, the oil gets dark, it gets gross. But I'm gonna show you a trick where you can cut almost half the amount of flour that falls into it back in the dredging tray. So let's get started. This is the dredging tray. Like I showed you earlier, we season the flour in here, and this is the finished product tray. But we take the chicken out of the bowl, we dredge it really nice, and before we put it in the finished product tray, we put it in this basket and we shake all the excess flour off, and we put it in this tray. So what this does is all the flour that does not need to go in your fryer and burns and makes your oil get dark, you won't have to. It's a cool trick, you'll love it. We're gonna go in our bowl, chicken is nicely done, and we drop it right in the corner of it, a few pieces at a time. Now you just dredge it. Make sure there's nothing wet on it. All the flour is coated really good. Take your time. So all of it is ready. So the chicken is ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and add it to the basket. Now you just look at this. All this flour would have ended up in your fryer, would have ruined the oil, but now you just have dredged pieces of chicken. Dredging process is complete. Chicken is ready. You can see it's coated perfectly. It's seasoned perfectly. Now it's time to fry. I'm gonna start with 10 pieces at a time. You don't want to overcrowd your oil. So just drop them in. I have the oil, I have the fryer on 350, 375. So the thing I was saying earlier with dredging, look, none of the excess flour went in the fryer, and you just take it out to see if the breading is sticking, which is looking gorgeous. Basan style. The first batch is ready. Wow, look at the color. They look gorgeous. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, and they're cooked all the way. So you take them out, and you just put them on the wax paper, let them rest. So there guys, the wings are ready, the color is gorgeous, they were done awesomely. I'm gonna show you. They're cooked through and through with gorgeous breading on the side. Now, let's move to my favorite part. Let's sauce them. We're gonna do it 4 different ways, and cool way to plate it, I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be Basan style. So I'm gonna start off with onion rings for the plating. Who doesn't like onion rings? And boneless wings. So first we're gonna do hot wings, because everybody loves hot wings. I love hot wings. You get the sauce in. Toss them very gently. Alright, so we take them and we place them right on our cutting board. Because the food looks great, but the plating has to be out of this world, because your guests have to look at it and say, oh my god, what just happened? And that's what this is. Now we're gonna make teriyaki sesame glaze. So I didn't really replace the hot sauce that was already in the bowl, so it gives it like a little kick. It's really cool. So for the second batch, we have sesame teriyaki glaze. They look gorgeous. We have Thai chili sauce, so sweet and spicy. Okay, so we have Thai chili sauce. Alongside. If your guests see this on the table, on the serving table, it is gonna be the eye stopper. Last one we're gonna do spicy orange ginger glaze. That little heat. This is really good. And we plate. So for the last one, we have spicy orange ginger glaze. We're gonna put the finishing touches on everything. This was the sesame ginger glaze. So we're gonna put the sesame on it. I'll put a little crushed red chili on the Thai chili ones. And for my favorite garnish, I'm gonna do a little parsley on all of them. Break it up, give it a little different color. This is it, guys. The wings are ready. They smell awesome. They look gorgeous. And the color is out of this world. We have boneless buffalo wings. We have sesame glaze. We have orange ginger glaze. We have Thai chili sauce. And I fried some onion rings. And for the sauces, we mixed it up a little bit. I did blue cheese, hot sauce, guacamole. We did North Carolina barbecue and sriracha aioli. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. It's simple, it's awesome, it's Basan style. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you guys next time. Basan style. Time for a taste test. For the record, this is my food, so awesome.